fuck, I love Sundays, man. Or don't you just fucking love the weekend?
Yeah, man. It's good.
Have a few billies in the morning, get your fucking drink on, you're set. You fucking set, mate. You don't need to worry about nothing else, eh?
Yeah.
Nah, that's what I always say, though. Don't take life for granted.
Yeah, I
'cause,
know.
nah, mate, you never know, eh? One day you could be there, next day...
You're gone.
You're fucking gone, mate. You're gone.
I know.
Could happen to any one of us. It's a scary
Yeah,
thought, I
yeah,
know.
I know,
But
it is.
look, mate, listen to me. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
live every day as if it's your last day on earth.
Yeah, I
'Cause-
know. You
mate,
told me.
fucking listen to me, mate. I'm trying to give you some life advice here, and you're fucking not listening.
I am. I'm listening
No,
to
I'm
ya.
sick of it. Your fucking life's a mess. Everything's turned to fucking shit around ya. Your missus left ya. You got 3 kids. God knows where they are, mate. Fucking God knows.
Whatever.
And I come and try to help ya. And what do you fucking do? You throw it in me face.
what?
Nah, I'm fucking done with ya. You made your bed. You can fucking sleep in it, cunt. I'm done. Get fucked. Oi! Who the fuck threw that? Who threw that fucking ball at me? Speak the fuck up, you little cunt! Who threw that shit at me? Huh? Who the fuck did it? Oi! Who the fuck did it?
Chill out, man. They're just fucking kids, eh?
No, Damo, don't let these fucking cunts get to you, man. Just 'cause we're a couple of old blokes doesn't give these little fuckwits the right to disrespect us. No, I'm not letting it happen.
Well, maybe you shouldn't be at a skate park if, like, you're not skating, though.
Nah, that's it. Give us your skateboard, dickhead. Fucking give it.
Why? Why should he?
'Cause I'm gonna show you that I can still fucking skate like I did back in the day, cunt. So give it. give us your skateboard, you fuckwit.
Go, Darren. You can do it, mate. I believe in ya. Woo! Go, Darren. Darren.
Fuck! Ah, fucking hell, Damo! You fucked me up!
What do you mean? What did I do?
You fucking shearing insane shit! You put me off! Thanks a lot, man!